Welcome back to my channel everyone. It's been a while from the last video. Today I will show you my version of card flip animation in Adobe XD. Here are the mid-autumn card design I have prepared. We will use this design for the flip card animation. The yellow card we'll use as the front of the card, and the blue as the back. Place the two images on top of one another. The theory is actually very simple. A double-sided paper, the text at the back will look inverted from the front. Hence, enable the 3D transforms at the properties, and rotate the card at the back -180 degree on Y-axis. And also to make one card on top and one card behind in Adobe XD, we have to set the Z position values. The card placed on top should have positive value 1, and the back will set to -1. Then, group the card together. Select the artboard name, hold Alt and drag to the side to duplicate another artboard. Select the card group, and rotate the whole group at Y-axis 180 degree. Now the front and the back of the card have changed, we have to change the Z position value as well. Always remember to have positive value for the object on top. Switch into prototype mode now. Select the first artboard, drag the appeared small blue arrow to second artboard. Set the trigger as tap, action as auto animate and easing as snap, duration change to 0.8 seconds. Link back from second artboard to first artboard. Remain all the settings but change the easing to ease in out. Preview to check the flip card animation. To make the scene looks more attractive, use the gizmo in the center to add some rotation on the card.